Have you been struggling to grow your YouTube channel? Have you been feeling stuck with possibly no subscribers, no plan, and no idea where to start? Well, stick around. What if I told you there's a proven way to turn that around and to do that fast? Stick with me because this could be the breakthrough that you've been looking for. Hi, my name's Tim and welcome to the Flannel Vine. In this video, I'm here to share with you my journey during this game-changing program called Content Growth Engine that has transformed my YouTube career. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also click on that bell icon that's right next to that subscribe button so that you're up to date on all of the content that I upload for you. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at Content Growth Engine by Shane Hummus. Let's go ahead and let's dive in. So what exactly is Content Growth Engine? Well, honestly, it's a comprehensive support system designed for creators like you and me who want to build a successful YouTube channel and kickstart it into a career. Think of it as a mentorship program with expert coaches who have already cracked the code for YouTube success. They help you identify your unique niche. This could be anything from lifestyle to tutorials to even just educational content. Even if you have a growing YouTube channel, everything that they can teach you will help you maximize and benefit your channel to continue it to grow and become even more successful. Followed by that, they craft a tailored strategy. With my niche, I chose a review-based platform along with theme park reviews. Regardless, there's a niche for you in YouTube and they will help you find it. So what all is included in the Content Growth Engine program? You'll get access to in-depth resources, learning resources on the school platform, from video editing tips to SEO tricks, and personalized feedback on your content. Whether it's designing eye-catching thumbnails or planning a content calendar, they guide you every single step of the way. And it's not only just a course, it's honestly a very large community that pushes you to grow with support that's available day and night. I'll break down how it worked for me, but first let's talk about where exactly I started. So before joining Content Growth Engine, I will wholeheartedly admit that I was completely clueless and completely lost. I did have this burning desire to succeed on YouTube, but I didn't know where even to start. I didn't know if I should just focus on vlogs, do tutorials and reviews. I didn't really have a niche and I didn't have a plan. And honestly, the fear of failing really did keep me paralyzed, and the motivation aspect, that was out the window. There was also the technical stuff like cameras, editing thumbnails, and to be honest, that was also an overwhelming factor as well. When I did join the program, the coaches stepped in and they became honestly a huge lifeline for me. They sat down with me, virtually of course, and they helped me pinpoint my niche. They also helped me halfway through pivot and really dime in on what I felt my niche should be and what I was interested in. They crafted a simple strategy for me, which was just plain start with one video, then post consistently. Not only did they do this, but they also highlighted blind spots that I've been overlooking, like the tendency to overthink instead of acting on my instincts. And honestly, that was a game changer. Their guidance turned my fear into action. And that's when I started actually seeing progress and momentum. Now, I will admit my experience inside the program has been rather intense, but it's also been incredibly rewarding. About midway through this program, my life did throw me a rather huge and unfortunate curveball, some unexpected personal challenges that could have honestly derailed everything. But the coaches, they were absolutely remarkable. They were very understanding of my situation. They understood the severity. They adjusted my schedule, and honestly, they kept me motivated. Day or night with this program, there was always somebody there to answer my questions, which was huge. And they also had somebody available to constantly give feedback. Not only this, their learning resources honestly blew me away. On the school platform, there was very detailed guides on editing, audience engagement, whatever it was, whatever it is, you name it, they had that on the school program. They also go through weekly and have tutorials, one-on-one sessions with you, as well as group tutorials on various different subjects, what people are currently struggling on in order to address those for everybody to benefit from those answers to succeed. So you're probably wondering, what are the results of this program for myself? I honestly started off with 0 subscribers and 0 videos. And with their help, I posted my first video, which was honestly one of the most hideous things in the world. But with their help and guidance on fine-tuning things such as recording content, different lighting, different thumbnails, I started to trust what they're saying as well as my own instincts. The momentum started to build. And honestly, I'm so thankful that today I'm almost to 2,500 subscribers, which I honestly am having a hard time believing that. And I'm very thankful for this program. I'm also on the correct path to becoming monetized, which is huge for me, though I do know that it takes some time and a lot more hard work that I'm willing to put forth. Every milestone that I have accomplished does honestly feel like a win. And if you're a part of the content growth engine, once you hit your milestone marks, you'll feel accomplished as well. And I do owe it to them for all of their support and where I'm at today. So my big goal joining Content Growth Engine was to launch a monetized YouTube career. And I'm steadily working towards that and accomplishing that milestone. The coach's accountability was honestly key. They checked in regularly, they pushed me when I started slacking, and they tailored their advice to my needs, whether it be, having issues with thumbnails or just crafting up ideas for content in general. It was honestly like having a personal cheer squad that was just working with me and rooting me on to keep on posting content. So if you're on the fence about the Content Growth Engine program, I 100% wholeheartedly recommend this program, but it does come with a caveat. It is honestly not a magical fix. You do need to invest the time and the effort. And yes, you do need to invest some funds. You need to think of this as an investment. And honestly, for myself, I used financing to join, and it's honestly been worth every single penny. The coaches are extremely knowledgeable, and they are also successful creators themselves. And their main goal is to see you thrive and succeed alongside with their guidance. If your budget is tight, explore the financing options. They do have the ability to help you find some kind of financing that will work for you. I myself chose to go with my own bank, and that's just what worked for me. So in Content Growth Engine and their program, the most memorable and also my favorite thing about this program is the honest empathy that the coaches showed me during my hard times of struggle, as well as the extreme knowledge of thumbnails that these coaches have. Their feedback honestly turned my videos from just okay to what I feel is way more standout than it used to be. Or even if I didn't join the program, I would still be on the struggle bus way over there. So should you join Content Growth Engine? Honestly, I'll leave that up to you, but I think it's worthwhile. So if you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level, to the next step, and figure out what you need to do to become successful, go ahead and check out the links in the description below. They'll take you to Shane Hummus's channel, as well as some of his videos that may also help you determine if this program is right for you. And there's also a link in there that will take you directly to where you need to go in order to be considered for Content Growth Engine and their program. Now, if this video did help you make a decision, or if you liked this video and the kind of content that I upload, be sure to subscribe and click on that bell icon right next to that subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a solid like. That helps me get this video out to other people that might be considering Content Growth Engine or possibly are on the fence on if they should join this program. So with that all being said, what has been your biggest YouTube struggle with your channel? Have you ever considered joining a coaching program such as Content Growth Engine? Go ahead and put that in the comment section below. I would love to read that. And I would also like to see you succeed as well. Thanks for coming to this video. I certainly appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And hopefully this video has been informative for you and has helped you make a decision on if Content Growth Engine would be a program that would help you out. Be sure, again, to check out my channel and the other videos. I do have more content coming up on some theme parks, as well as Universal Studios, my revisit back, and also the Portofino Bay where I stayed, and some unexpected occurrences that happened, but nonetheless, a very beautiful hotel resort There's also the bar Helios that I will be reviewing and uploading content for, so be sure to stay tuned. Click on that bell icon in order to be notified when I do upload those videos for you. Once again, my name was Tim. Thanks for coming to the Flannel Vine, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.